friends, welcome to Learn Science and Chemistry podcast. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss about 15 best science books to read at least twice in your life. Friends, these science books are more than just source of knowledge. They spark curiosity, reshape our understanding of the universe, and often inspire us to ask better questions. Whether you are a student, a curious reader, or a professional in the field of science, these books are very helpful. Some books are worth revisiting to grasp their deeper meaning and uncover new perspectives. So, friends, first book in our list is A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. Friends, these legendary books explore the nature of time, black holes, the Big Bang, and the fabric of the universe in accessible language. A second read reveals deeper insight as your understanding of the cosmos grows. Second book in our list is Interesting Facts About All Elements of the Periodic Table by Jitendra Singh Sandhu. Friends, this is a perfect for young minds and science lovers alike. This book offers bit-sized, fascinating facts about all 118 elements, along with colorful visuals and essential data like atomic numbers, symbols, states, users, discovery, and stories behind each element. It's a must read to build a strong foundation in the chemistry and to fall in love with the periodic table. The second read often feels like a fun treasure hunt of knowledge. Friends, this book is also must to read because as we encounter with the thoughts by many babas that this whole world is made from five elements. However, in this book, you will read about all 118 elements whose permutation and combination make this whole world or whole universe. So, friends, third book in our list is Selfish Gene by Richard Dawkins. A revolutionary take a evolution that shifts the focus from the organism to the gene. Reading helps better appreciate the logic behind nature's selections and gene-centric evolution. The fourth book is Cosmos by Carl Sagan. This is a perfect book, and this poetic and powerful journey through space and the time explore humanity's space in the universe. It's equally inspiring and humbling, and each reading offers new wonders. Friends, fifth book in our list is Double Helix by James D. Watson. The Double Helix by James D. Watson is a perfect book because this book gives us the discovery of the structure of DNA knowledge. A personal account of the discovery of the DNA structure. This book gives insight into the minds and rivalries behind a scientific revolution. A reread helps connect scientific curiosity with human emotions. The sixth book in our list is The Gene, an intimate history by Siddharth Mukherjee. Friends, blending science with storytelling, this book charts the history and the impact of genetics. A second read helps grasp its laid exploration of identity, heredity, and ethics. Seventh book in our list is Surely You Are Joking, Mr. Fayan by Richard P. Fayan. A collection of humorous and insightful anecdotes from one of the greatest physicists. It's full of life lessons and curious adventures in the science worth experiencing more than once. The eighth book in our list is Silent Spring by Rachel Carson. This is the best book, and this environmental science classic warned the world about the dangers of pesticides. a reread serves as a reminder of how science and activism can protect the nature. The ninth book in our list is The Elegant Universe by Brian Greene. This book dives into string theory and unification of forces. The read may dazzle you, but the second read often help in truly grasping the theoretical concepts. Tenth book in our list is The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks by Rebecca Skloot. Friends, this is the true story of a woman whose cells changed science. This book explores bioethics, race, and medical research. Revisiting it sheds light on overlooked human stories in science. 11th book in our list is Physics of the Impossible by Mikio Kaku. Kaku explored ideas from teleportations of time travel through the lens of real physics. Rereading deepens your understanding of what is fantasy today and what might be fact tomorrow. 12th book in this list is The Sixth Extinction by Elizabeth Colbert. Friends, a Pulitzer Prize winning book that uncovers the ongoing mass extinction caused by humans. The second read leaves a lasting impact on how we view our role on earth. The 13th book in our list is Bad Science by Ben Goldacre. This witty book reveals how science is often misrepresented in media and medicine. Rereading it sharpens your critical thinking and media literacy. 14th book in our list is Astrophysics for People in a Hurry by Neil deGrasse Tyson. A compact guide to big cosmic questions. This book is perfect for busy minds. On a second read, you are like to connect the dots more clearly. 15th book in the list is The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. Friends, this is a very famous book and the cornerstone of evolution biology. While it's not an easy read, going through it again uncovers Darwin's thoughtful observation and revolutionary ideas in depth. So, friend, that's it. This is our 15th book list. So, science is never ending quest, and some books become companion on this journey. Rereading them not only reinforce concepts but also reveals new dimensions as your understanding matures. So pick up one of these gems and give it another go. And if you do not read it once, so it you surely read this book. So you can know more about these books or get the link to buy these books from our website, whose link is given in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. You can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to explore these books. Thank you to listening this podcast.